And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this style, I've already cut the base and the handle as usual, which is 16 inches for the handle two times. So what we'll be needing for this style is what I'll be measuring. Don't mind my tape rule. That tape rule wants to disgrace itself. So I have 52 inches here. So just cut it out like that, a long strip. This 52 inches, when I finish it, I notice it's too long. So you can reduce yours to say 45, 42 inches. So for this one, I have 60 there. So I'll just continue the measurement from 50. Okay, I just used that 50. So I cut about 69 inches altogether. So I stitch both ends like that. All right, so let's go into the main work. So you are going to take your 52 inches first. You divide it into two just to get the middle so that the middle will align with the middle of your gele. Okay, so just place it down like that and use your pin to hold it down. So if you just happen to stumble on this video, I welcome you to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell button so as to be notified each time I drop a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking to my channel. So I'm just going to take it all the way down and I'll plait everything like that. All right, so I was able to get 4 plates from this, and note I didn't tack. So now I'm going to start tacking. So note the sides. I start my tacking from the sides. Okay, just look at that side there. That's where I'm going to be. And please, I know majority of us like to download to save our data, but please watch this video to some extent before you download because it means a lot to me. Please, now data me today used to upload for you, so please spend this money. At least use some of the data to watch it before you download. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So I'll just keep on tacking it like that. I'll be forming the ruffle and I'll be tacking it to the base. So I'm using the pleat of the base. Remember the pleat of the base to tack it. So I'll just keep on forming the ruffle and I'll tack to the base. This is very important so as to hold everything together. Okay, we want to join everything together. I need my plier here because that ashoke is very thick, as in it's thick. So I need my plier to pull out the needle. Okay, so just continue like that. Just continue forming the ruffle and tacking. You can see I'm inserting from underneath the plate of the base. Okay, underneath the plate of the base. That is very important. Okay, like I said, there is no particular rule. I don't know for making ruffle. Just want to squeeze your ashoke together and tack it down. That's ruffle to me though. So I stop exactly that point also. So it can be equal because I want this my ruffle to be at the middle. Okay, I want it to be at the center. So, and don't forget to always remove your pin, the pin you use to hold the pleat to the base. Always remove it, don't forget it, please. So just keep on tacking and I stop at that point. Now we need to take it all the way back to get a bigger ruffle. So this is how I do that. Can you see? So just take it all the way back. So we are going to be going back and forth, back and forth. So just use my pin to hold it down like that. And I'll keep on forming the ruffle. At this point, I'm going to be using my pin to hold it together. You can see I'm holding it to the together with the previous one that we tacked to the base, and you use your pin to hold wherever place you feel it needs holding. Okay, so I already have a video on how to make ruffle on my channel, so you can as well check that out so as to have an extensive explanation. I'll just put it that way on how to make a ruffle autogele. Okay, so that one is a little bit different from this. So I'm just going to keep on doing the ruffle. Now I'll be using my pin to hold it down like so. Okay, I'll be using my pin to hold it down like so. Okay, so So that's just it, guys. That's just it. It's very easy. You can see the way I'm taking it as like a pleat, but actually it's not a pleat. It's kind of ruffle. Can you see? So from there, I'm going back. So like I said, you'll be going back and forth till you finish, you exhaust the ashoki, the length of the ashoki that you've cut. So if you want it bigger than this, you can increase the length. And if you want it smaller, of course, if you are trying to manage your three pieces ashoki, then you can as well reduce the length. Okay, it all depends on what you want. But for this particular style, this is the measurement I use, and of course, this is what my customer wants. Okay, so just keep on forming the ruffle like so. I'm using my pin to hold it down. I use a lot of pin. Okay, don't be stingy with that pin. Use as much as you can, as many as you can. Okay, so now I've gotten to this edge, and I noticed that when I fold it over, it's not getting to the other side, so I have to reduce where I'm going to fold. You can see I didn't take it all the way down like that. I have to stop at this edge here, use my pin to hold it, so that the middle can be high, at least to some extent. So I'll have like half moon shape or a semicircle. Yeah, let me just put it that way, like a semicircle shape. Okay, so the middle will be higher than the sides. Okay, so you can see, so the middle is higher that way. So I'll just keep on using my pin to hold it together like so. Okay, so look at the edge, just fold it in and take it to the back. So it's as simple as that. Just use my pin to hold it down like so. Just use my pin to hold it down like so. Alright, so we are done forming the ruffle. The next thing we need to do now is just tack. I'm just trying to adjust this piece because I notice it's not really sitting well. Okay, and that is why we are using our pin and not tacking straight away. Okay, so you arrange it, adjust whatever needs to be adjusted before tacking. So this is what I have. So now I'll just continue my tacking from there. Like I said, you can watch the previous video I uploaded on how to tack. So that one is going to really help on how to tack ruffle. So I'm just going to be skipping some parts here so as not to waste our time, and of course our data. Data is expensive. So just keep on tacking like that. You want to tack the edge to the base, and just keep on tacking all those pieces you pin together. Make sure you tack, and make sure that you don't forget your pin inside the gilly. It's very important. So I'll just tack all the way like that. Everything, tack some to the base too, and then just tack everything like that. So don't forget to remove your pin, and I'll come back to show you the next thing to do after tacking everything. Alright guys, so I'm done tacking, and I've as well tacked the plate to the base, and look at where I stopped. I'm so sorry, I forgot I've paused my video. That's why I didn't show you this part, but it's just a normal tacking to the base like that. So you just take the edge here and you stitch it down. Do the same thing for the other side. Yeah, so that's going to be our undo. I'll come back to show you. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.